Hello! In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to some more advanced geometric operations, including how to use outline blocks, converting an outline block to a building block, and finally, Boolean operations. I will build on the roof geometry content in the previous tutorial and add a dormer roof to the existing southern roof slope.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.